guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike Air Zoom Infinity Tour Shield. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, believe it or not, we are looking at a Nike Air golf shoe, and we've got specifically we have the Air Zoom Infinity Tour Shield. We got this in the rattan black birch colorway, in the UK men's 7.5, European 42, and it's a US men's 8.5. As you can tell, with it being in the orange box, this is for performance. And here they go. Now, guys, when it comes to golf, on behalf of myself, Chris, and Jeff, we only play Top Golf and Crazy Golf, all that kind of novelty or parlor games associated with golf. So we're not really hitting the fairways, which this was designed for. This was made for the 18 holes. But we saw this and thought we might as well. We've done tons of trekkers, like your run hikers, trail running sneakers. It reminds me of that. You look at this design as well, but it has all the bells and whistles that are meant for golfing. So we'll start with the outsole, and you look at this outsole and you can see a translucent plastic all around. And now where it differs is that you got your golf spikes that you can see here at the heel, and at the forefoot you got two there and just one massive one at the heel. Now just underneath the translucent plastics you can see the Air Zoom pods. So these are an additional 3 pods there just to help your cushioning and grip as well. Obviously these sneakers were designed for harsh conditions when you're playing golf, because it's not always a sunny day when you're playing golf. I've seen many episodes of Curb Your Enthusiasm where Larry is playing, well, I think it's just the one episode where he's unfortunate to be playing in a really rainy day. Moving along onto the midsole. So this midsole unit is made out of the Nike React, and just incorporate inside, encapsulated even, is a full Air Zoom unit, or a Zoom Air unit. It's all around, you can't see it, but it is inside. And the foam that is used in the midsole is the Nike React technology. So again, you can see that this sneaker combines bits of trail running with, I guess, the grip and the colorway of the upper, but you've got the hits of runners as well. Not gonna lie, guys, I don't really see this being worn with your traditional golfing outfit, but they do wear like a Nike polo, Nike trousers, so I guess it goes. The upper, now this upper is made up of a blend of synthetic materials. So you will start with the mud guard. So this is a rubber mud guard all around here, and you can see it just on the little prints here. It goes weatherized protection, waterproof, reflectivity, Nike Golf Shield, which is the name of the sneaker. And just on the lateral side of the heel here, it says engineered to protect against extreme elements of nature, no bad weather, just golf. So essentially this is a shroud. You can see the plastics, the synthetic materials here, just covering essentially it's a sneaker booty system. It's like your runner, but you've got extra protection here with the translucent rubbers. And moving along onto the lace unit. So you look at the lace, it's a bungee cord lace. Just pop it in and you just pull just for the tightness. And on the side by the heel here, you got ergonomically designed zips, or when you're wearing golf gloves, easy to adjust and slip your feet in or take them out, whatever you want to do. And just on the inside, because you're going to be on your feet all day, obviously 18 holes, it takes half a day to play a full game of golf. You got nicely padded ankle supports there, just on the sides, and essentially, again, just to remind you guys, that is essentially a booty system. Put your feet in, and I guess you are protected against all the weathers. At the back here, on the heel, you got the Nike Air Zoom, just to say that you got Zoom technology incorporated. Got TPU plastics with the Nike swoosh. Pull tab at the heel to get your feet easily in, and very synthetic padded insole too with the Nike Golf Shield logo that's there, and that can also be found on the tongue. It's pressed on with the heat plastics. It's going to be interesting to try these on, so all that footage of me trying these golf shoes on. Hopefully that one day I will play a nice 18-hole golf session. So roll out footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend it. Yeah, your true to size Nike fit. My toes are where they need to be. However, I don't know if you saw when I was putting these on, they were quite a struggle to put on. In regards to how they feel on, it feels very tight on my right foot particularly, but I think that's because my right feet is a bit bigger than my left. Don't feel like these were made for golfing. I feel like this was made really for trek running because of the shrouds and because the way it looks. But obviously, guys, these were built for golfing because of the spikes that you can see here. Would have to try these out in grass. Let us know if you want to see us try and hit a few balls in the golf park, but we can only do that if we hear from you guys. So let us know if you want to hear, if you want us to do any performance reviews in the future. Just let us know on the comment section below. Obviously, guys, I highly recommend that you get these only if you're golfing. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time. Peace.